Hi everyone, welcome to my unveiling of the, what would this be? February Potomac Beads kit, best bead box. I dropped the XL part, so I'm just getting the box. So I don't know what the extras are. I didn't watch, if they had one, I didn't watch it lately. You know, Potomac Beads did an unboxing. So let's see what we have. It's called Love Affair. A stolen kiss, a heartfelt glance, a tender caress. Have your soul glowing with the candied hues of soft pink, delicate lavender, and gentle sea foam. And feel those first thrums of love again with this month's Love Affair Best Bead Box. Let sweet daydreams dance across your creativity and see what fabulous designs you will create. Okay, so this is what's in the box, and it's Rendezvous necklace. Ooh, some faceted glass. This is pretty. Designer is Anna Taylor. And then it tells you the different materials. You do need usually to provide usually wire, but I think I'm seeing some wire in here. So let's just look at what the pattern calls for, which is this one. Yep, this one. And then these are the extras. So this is the pattern. Items. And they did give us 49 strand Beadalon beading wire in 0.018, which is like a medium, in bright, which is their silver color, and 3 feet of it. Awesome. They had that specially packaged for them. Okay, let's see. Potomac crystal pear drops, 18 by 13. These are pretty. I like pear shaped stuff. I really do. Oops. Look at the sparkle on those. That one is more purpley, so that might go in the center, I guess. These look more sort of silvery. Yeah, that one has more purple than the rest of them. These three match more, I think. Oh, well, yeah, because when you turn those over, they're not so purpley, but there we go. That's what I got. So these two definitely match. This one's closer to those, but it's not quite. And then this one has a lot of purple in it. Really pretty. Let me see. Did they? Yeah, I guess on there is the purple they have in the middle too. All right. So that's the first thing. And then Miyuki seed beads 11-0. Nope, they're Toho. Miyuki seed beads 11-0 galvanized gold. So that's pretty. Always useful. And then Toho seed beads, and these are 8-0, and they're in Silverline crystal. They're sparkly, sparkalicious. I'm thinking of my YouTube friend Monica. Hi Monica, if you see this. And then next up is Czech glass faceted rounds, 4mm, and they're in like a pale pink, like almost like a rose quartz color pink. Sorry for my nails, guys. And then Czech glass rondelles, faceted, 3 by 5mm, and they're in more like an amethyst color with clear. They're like clear and amethyst colored. They don't really tell you the color. It just says mix. Includes 66030. So it looks like some clear and amethyst color purple. And then rose quartz 6mm rounds, 10 grams. And there's the number. Gotta love rose quartz for February. And a silver plated, no, it doesn't say that. Well, yeah, it does on here. Lobster claw. There's some crimps and a jump ring. And some silver plated 2-inch head pins. They look like good quality ones. So, and then the beading wire. Something different. Alright, so I'm looking forward to making that piece for February, pink. And I have to say, you know, the mail has been a problem in the past few months, but This shipped yesterday on the 16th, and I got it today on the 17th. So that is pretty awesome. Yeah. And then beads for your stash in this box is some crystal heart beads. These are Potomac crystal heart beads, 10 millimeter, 6 of them. They're pretty. I like the color. They're pretty red. Very sparkly. Really pretty close to a Swarovski quality in my opinion, and I like that the hole goes down from top to bottom instead of through the top in the front. So they're definitely beads and not a drop, if you will, and I like that. You can turn them into a drop. Then we get 4 grams of Miyuki seed beads. Nope, nope, nope. Here we go, 15-0. Nope, we have some 6-0s in here somewhere. Here we go. Miyuki seed beads 6-0. These are pretty. I don't usually use too many 6-0s, but they make nice spacers on things. But these are like a clear with a, yeah, teal lined crystal. Clear with a teal inside the hole. Super pretty. And then Miyuki seed beads 15-aught in opaque ivory. Tiny little things, always useful. And then 1 glass cabochon. Okay, that's this. Ooh, that's pretty. Emerald Rose, it's called. Sort of has a, to me, it almost had like a Japanese or Oriental flavor to it. But it's like a teal / green background with some green leaves and flowers. That's really pretty. I like it. It's a glass cabochon. Very pretty. Love that. Okay, then we have Elos Par Puka beads. Must be these. Yes. And these are in Rose Splash, which appears to be rose with a splash of gold. And these almost look like a pinch shape too, sort of triangular with a pinchy squished in sides and a hole. Maybe that's what those other ones were in the grab bag that I shared not in a different video. Anyway, and then the hole goes, it's a single hole. They're different. I like them. They'll go nice with that actually. And then 1 gram Potomac crystal rondelles. These 2 by 3 millimeter in Tanzanite AB. That is a really pretty color. It's coming across more blue, but they're definitely a purple. That's a little bit better, but still more blue in it than what I'm seeing. Okay, anyway. Yeah, very pretty. And you get, how many of those? 1 gram of those. And then some heart beads. 2 Czech glass heart beads. Okay, like them. They're like a modern kind of heart, and the hole goes here and here. So that's a pretty pair of earrings right there. They're sort of pink with a topaz-y color around the edge or something. A little different. This has more color around the edge than this one does, but they're pretty close. Yeah, I don't know if I'd use them for earrings. I might use them for 2 different necklaces actually. Oh, they have silver on the back. Okay. Oh wait, that's 2 devoted heart. That's not the same thing. Hang on. Oh, never mind. Those are 2 devoted heart crystal pendants in Volcano. That's color. I like that color. I have some things I bought previously from them. These are the Czech glass heart beads. Okay. My boo-boo. Oh, these are nice too, and they're in that sort of aqua teal with a gold splash and a flower on them. They're pretty. I like them. You don't see hearts too much in these different colors. Now it does look like some of the finish went in that hole, but it's open. It just needs to be poked through. Same with the bottom there. Sometimes that happens. The finishes clog the holes a little bit, but I think it's remediable. Then we have Storm Duo beads, which I think is this one. Yeah, Lava Red. They must go with the red hearts here. These red. Perhaps. Now I don't know. Storm Duo. Okay, these are the ones that sort of look like a wave. I think I have gotten them in a past box, but a different colorway. Lava Red. And you get 4 grams of those. They're 7 by 3 millimeter. 7 long by 3 wide. Okay, and then we have 7 grams brown Amazonite, which really isn't that brown, but it has some brown in it. And these are 4 millimeter round beads. These are gemstone. Really pretty. Love that color. It always reminds me of the beach because of the aquas and the sandy colors, and the white could be like the waves, you know, the splash on the waves. What do they call that? The rise of the wave. Anyway, you know what I mean. Amazonite, very pretty. And then lastly, 100 Potomac crystal rondelles, 1.5 millimeter. They're teeny tiny, but they're like a mint green. Chrysolite opal. And I think when I was watching Monica open this, she looked it up, and these were Swarovski, which are being discontinued, obviously. So, but very pretty chrysolite, that pale mint green opal, and they're very sparkly. 1.5 millimeter. So pretty. That is what I got in the best bead box. Now like I said, I changed from the XL just because I don't have time even to get to the box, let alone extra stuff. So I'm hoping I can start being able to do some of these soon. Maybe not all, but yeah, that's a pretty necklace. I definitely will most likely be trying that one. So yeah, I don't know when exactly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. I'll put a link down below to Potomac Beads website, where you have options for either the best bead box, which is this one, or the best bead box XL, where you get an extra pattern and materials for the second pattern, plus you get a third bonus pattern in that one, but no materials for it. And then I think you get more of the beads for your stash as well. So, but it is a little more pricey. So it's up to you what you want to do and how much you like to do with this kind of a bead kit. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.